Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This will be a quick vid. In the future, I'm going to be creating content based on things that you should be doing before you start investing, like emergency funds and debt and all that stuff. However, my friends have been asking me, they've been seeing my videos and they've been getting interested in investing in stocks, but they don't, know how to get started. And I've been thinking, there is a way for people who want to get a taste of the stock market, to get some action in the game, to do that and to practice trading without investing any money. And that way is smashing the like button and subscribing. I'm kidding, Graham does that. But still like, and hopefully subscribe. That way is called paper trading. So what paper trading is it allows you to invest money with certain brokerages using fake money. So you become a millionaire on paper, or a fake millionaire. And at that point, you can start investing money and buying and selling. And then you'll get the reactions and stuff as if you actually were investing in the stock market. Now, there are different apps from which you can do that, but the one I'm going to talk about right now is Webull. Okay guys, so this is the Webull app. Now, full disclosure, I do not use Webull regularly. If you've been following my channel, you know that my brokerage is Fidelity. But I have been using the app a little bit just to get a feel for, I guess, how it operates. I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, it does all the same stuff as most other brokerages do. There's my watch list of stocks I'm looking at. You can go to the markets. You can see the Dow. You can see some other positions that I don't really care about right now. If you go to the middle part right here, you can see I have some stocks. The two at the top here, I got as free stocks when I opened the account. I bought one share T-Row just to, buy stuff and then just to get some experience using the app. But there's nothing too overwhelmingly good or bad that I have to say about this app. One thing I can say is that it does not do fractional shares and it does not do dividend reinvestment. So I would not pick this brokerage for a dividend play. But see, so from here, if I can deposit money from my account, I can trade in and out of stocks, but nothing too special here. But anyways, the thing we're here for is the paper trading. And you can access paper trading by going to menu and then going to paper trading. And then here we are. So as you can see, I am a millionaire. I am a fake millionaire. I've already bought 2 positions early in the week just to show you how it works. I bought some Cisco and some Google. If you go in there, I can buy or sell more. Now, at the time I'm recording this is after trading hours. But if you wanted to buy a share of something else, let's say we want to buy a share of Realty, we can do that. And let's say paper trading, let's say I want to buy 100 shares of Realty. I can do that, paper trade, and alright, and that will execute once the market opens again on Monday. But that is paper trading in a nutshell. And over time, you can get some experience watching, your investments rise and fall. And that way you can get some, practice before you can start investing real money. But that's paper trading in a nutshell. That's all it is. There are different brokerages that you can use, but I mean, they're all pretty much the same, and they'll get you skin in the game using that brokerage. Now, I will have a link to sign up for Webull if you're interested in trying out paper trading. If you try it out and you like it over the long run, you can, if you deposit $100, I think within the first 30 days, then you'll get a free stock. Full disclosure, I'll get a free stock too, but I mean, I would rather you get comfortable with trading first. So if you try it out and it's not for you, definitely don't deposit any money in. Hope this was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Eat your vegetables.